that is coming off the list is Pakistan. Pakistan has been on FATF's grey list since 2018. After a lot of work by the Pakistani authorities, they have worked through 2 separate action plans and completed a combined 34 action items to address deficiencies in their anti-money laundering and counter-terrorist financing systems. The FATF welcomes this significant progress. As a result, Pakistan can now more effectively tackle anti-money laundering and terrorism financing. A FATF team has verified that the reforms are in place and that there is high-level commitment and capacity to sustain those reforms. These reforms are good for the stability and security of the country and indeed the region. That doesn't mean that there isn't more work to do. Going forward, Pakistan will need to work with the FATF's regional partner, the Asia-Pacific Group, to continue to strengthen its systems.